Hello everybody, Dale Anderson here with Frontline Training Consulting. The Estes Valley Board of Realtors has invited me to come and speak with you on September 12th. We're going to start at 8 o'clock. We're going to be at the Community Center at 660 Community Drive. What are we going to talk about? The beautiful thing is what we're going to talk about is identifying and preventing bad situations while you're at work, but this also translates into your personal life too. If we see something or something doesn't feel right, we're going to talk about how you should respond or some ideas about responding. Then we're going to discuss ideas about how you will respond to an encounter, a physical, violent attack or encounter that's happening to you or someone else. We're going to talk about ideas of where your mind is, what you can physically do, what can you legally do, what are you willing to do to survive violence, or even a stranger or a family member to help them survive violence. And then we're going to talk about ideas of what to expect when the police arrive. Because the good thing is, I've learned about most people, is they don't know what to do when the police arrive. It's because you're good people, you don't deal with the cops very often. So we're going to talk about that. Then we're going to talk about some ideas about coping with the aftermath of a bad situation. And we're going to do that roughly from 8 to noon. I know it sounds like a long time, but it really does go fast, and we really do have a lot of fun. Right around noon, we're going to take a break. The best part of the day, we get to go eat lunch. So we're going to go eat lunch, come back around 1:30, I guess, and then we're going to do a couple hours of some hands-on training. The beautiful part is after lunch, you'll all be sleepy, so you won't know if it's any good or not anyway. So we're going to talk about elbows, knees, punches, kicks, strikes, all these types of things that you have on you right now that you can use just in case something happens to you and you get attacked. And if we have time at the end, I'm going to show you these two beautiful, simple techniques that everyone should know. Again, it's September 12th, 8 to noon, and then probably 1 or so on for the hands-on portion. I hope to see you there, folks.